Trust me, you will love this juice. Yes, it was so refreshing, packed with a lot of nutrients, and this was absolutely very healthy. Yes, I love fresh juice. Not only me, the family. Yes, we love fresh juice, and this one we really enjoyed it. If today is the first time here, nice to meet you. My name is Lena. Let's start with today's activity. So I have with me here my beetroot. Yes, very healthy. Okay, I am just going to wash it very well and then peel the skin. If today is the first time here, we share easy recipes here, and then trust me, you will love it. So that is why you have to subscribe for more videos, or you have to subscribe or follow for more videos. And if you do that, you are not going to miss our upcoming videos. Okay, you will love them, and trust me, you will fall in love with them. Okay, so I will cut them into smaller chunks so that it will be very easy for me to blend it. Trust me, I have a lot of juice recipes on the channel, and more are on their way coming. So please go through the videos, and trust me, you will love them. Okay, you can see how fresh the beetroot looks. Yeah, very fresh. Now we are done with this one. I am just going to peel the rest and then continue with this. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Trust me, you will love our recipes everywhere. Sometimes the things I post on the other platforms are different from the things I post at wherever you are watching me. So please follow us or subscribe for more detailed recipes, and trust me, you will never regret. You will love it. The next ingredient I'm going to introduce is my apples. Okay, I have the yellow and the red apples here. I'm just going to cut them so that it will be easy for us to blend as usual. So remove the seed and then cut them into the chunks you want. Okay, we have three channel, and the name is Recipe Goddess. Okay, follow us on YouTube at Recipe Goddess for your recipes in chi, and trust me, you will love it. We are done cutting that. The next ingredient is our berries. Okay, those are berries, and it's raspberry and then blueberries. Now I have my grapes, and then we are done cutting the beetroot. As for the grapes, that is the to talk about that, we will do it later. So I have oranges here, I have my mandarins, lemon, and then ginger. I have pineapples here as well. And as for the grapes, that is the fruit that I have a lot in the house. Okay, we really enjoy that very well. So this is how we peel it, or we remove it from the stem, and then it has been washed already. Okay, you don't have to blend it with the stem, but you have to remove it just like how you are seeing on the screen. So we are done with the preparation. Now we are going to pour the pineapple in a blender and then add some water to it. I'm going to blend it and then sieve it. So simple. And sieve it. So if you want to prepare pineapple juice, I guess this one is your pineapple juice. You are done. Fresh pineapple juice. When we are done straining that, I am just going to blend my beetroot, and then I'll get back to you. So you add water to it and then you blend it. You will sieve that one and add it to the pineapple, and just look at that. So simple. You make sure you have that good blender. Okay, if you don't have that good blender, you have to add a lot of liquid so that it will be very easy for you to blend, or you have to cut them into very smaller chunks. Now we have our berries and then our grapes. We are going to add some of the pineapples that were left, and then I'll go ahead and then add some water to it. I have my apples there as well. I will blend all those and then sieve it and add it to the ingredients we sieved earlier. And just look at that, the beetroot has taken over. The beetroot has taken over. At this moment, it's not the time that you are going to add sugar to your juice. Okay, this is very healthy. Do not spoil it by adding sugar to it. Pack everything in your container and enjoy this every morning, or morning and evening, after and before meal. Oh my goodness, you will love it. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to take good care of yourself. Subscribe for more videos because you can't afford to miss the next upload. And please eat healthy for me. See you in the next video. I love you. Bye bye.